The Infinix GT30 Pro is an upcoming gaming-centric smartphone expected to launch in May 2025. It boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth visuals for gaming and multimedia consumption. Under the hood, the device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultimate chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring seamless multitasking and ample space for apps and media. The GT30 Pro is equipped with a 5,500 mAh battery supporting 67W wired fast charging, allowing for quick power-ups during intense gaming sessions. On the photography front, it features a 108MP primary camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, for stable and high-quality shots, accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide sensor. For selfies and video calls, the device is expected to sport a 13MP front camera. Notably, the GT30 Pro is rumored to include L1R1 gaming trigger buttons, enhancing the gaming experience by providing additional controls similar to those found on gaming consoles. The smartphone will run on Android 15 with XOS 15 on top, offering a user-friendly interface and various customization options. In India, the Infinix GT30 Pro is expected to be priced around 25,999 Indian rupees, making it a competitive option in the gaming smartphone segment.